Excel enthusiastic. Today we will learn how to create a drop down list. First, you have to select the cell where you want to create the drop down list. So I've selected the cell. Now go to Data tab, then Data Tools, in that Data Validation, then in this any value click List. Now here select the source. So this is the source that which we want it is to be created in drop down list. Select OK. Now as you can see over here, the drop down list has been created. Simply select the city which you want to fill. You can also use your keyboard, like for Pune you can just type P and it will be fixed. For like B, then N and D. So if you like our video, please subscribe to our channel. Please keep following Excel up to learn such more Excel tricks. Thank you.